Welcome you all. I am Srinath, Faculty of Mechanical Engineering Department, Canara Engineering College, Mangalore. So this is lecture number 7 on fluid dynamics topic. So in this class, I am going to explain about triangular notch and how to solve some numericals in this triangular notch. So this figure that shows the arrangement of the triangular notch. So that triangular notch is placed across the flow of fluid through the channel, and the sheet of water is flowing over the notch here, and the top layer of the water, that the sheet, is called as a nap. And here this a triangular notch or a wire is connected to the open channel in order to measure the discharge. Once again, one more image that is also called as the construction of the triangular wire in order to measure the flow of water through the canals or through the channel. So now discharge over a triangular notch wire is derived here. So consider let H is equals to head of the water above V notch. So this triangular notch is also called as a V notch. The theta is equals to angle of the notch. Now consider a horizontal strip of water thickness dH at a depth of h from the free surface of water as shown in figure, and we have the tan theta by 2 is equals to, so according to this figure, so here the tan theta by 2 is equals to the ratio of AC by OC. Then AC by the OC is equals to the capital letter H minus of small letter h. So that is the small height of that OC. So now the AC is equals to the h, capital letter H minus h into tan theta by 2. Now width of the strip is given by AB, and that AB is equals to 2 times of AC. Hence the length of AC is equals to capital letter H minus h into tan theta by 2. The same thing is substituted on this 2AC. So now area of the strip is given by the 2 into h, capital letter H minus h into tan theta by 2 into the height of that elemental strip, that is taken as dH. So now theoretical velocity of the water the flowing through the strip is given by square root of 2gh. So now discharge dq through the strip is dq is equals to cd into area of the strip into theoretical velocity. So now the dq is equals to cd into the area of the strip is 2 into capital letter H minus small letter h into tan theta by 2 into height of the strip is dh into velocity, theoretical velocity is given by square root of 2gh. So then simplifying this, the 2 into cd into h, capital letter H minus small letter h into tan theta by 2 into square root of 2gh into dh. Now total discharge to the V notch is given by Q is equals to, so now it is get integrated from 0 to height of h, the 0 to h, and 2 into CD into capital letter H minus small letter h into tan theta by 2 into square root of 2gh into dh. So in this expression, the CD into tan theta by 2 into square root of 2g is a constant that is taken outside. So then it is integrated from 0 to h, only capital letter H minus h into square root of h, that is h power half into dh. So then this is a simplification, that is a differentiated from the 0 to h, and after integrating the terms, so we will get, this is a further simplification, that is equals to, the q is equals to 2 into CD into tan theta by 2 into square root of 2g into 2 by 3 h into h power 3 by 2 minus 2 by 5 into h power 5 by 2. So then get further, it is get simplified here, and after the simplification, so we will get the final expression for the discharge through the triangular notch. Q is equals to 8 by 15 into CD into tan theta by 2 into square root of 2g and h power 5 by 2. So that is the final expression to find the discharge through the triangular notch. So if CD is equals to 0.6 and theta is equals to 90 degree, the V notch angle is 90 degree. So now this expression get reduced to further as Q is equals to 8 by 15 into 0.6 into, so tan 90 by 2 is equals to, so tan 45 is equals to 1 into square root of 2 into g 9.81 and h power 5 by 2. After the simplification of this, the Q is generally taken as 1.417 h power 5 by 2. So that is one more expression for the triangle, the discharge through the triangular notch in case it is a right angle V notch and CD value is equals to 0.6. So now this numerical part on this triangular notch is the very first numerical here. Find the discharge over a triangular notch of angle 60 degree when the head over the V notch is 0.3 meter and assume CD is equals to 0.6. The angle of V notch, the theta is equals to 60 degree. Head over notch is h is equals to 0.3 meter. CD is equals to 0.6. Then discharge in V notch is given by the expression Q is equals to 8 by 15 into CD into tan theta by 2 into square root of 2g multiplied with the h power 5 by 2. Now substitute the values here. Q is equals to 8 by 15, CD value is 0.6, the tan and theta angle is 60 degree by 2 into square root of 2 into 9.81 and head is maintained here, it is 0.3 meters, this is power of 5 by 2. And finally discharge through the triangular notch is 0.040 meter cube per second. So that is the solution for this numerical. Next, move on to the next numerical number 2. The water flows over a rectangular wire 1 meter wide at a depth of 150 millimeter and afterwards passes through a triangular right angled wire, taking CD for the rectangular and triangular wire as 0.62 and 0.59 respectively. Find the depth over the triangular notch. So this numerical is related to both rectangular notch as well as a triangular notch. So initially water is flowing through the rectangular notch of width 1 meter wide and the depth of 150, and afterwards the same discharge will be flowing through the triangular right angle notch or the wire. So now we have to find out, so what is the depth of the water over the triangular notch. Solution is, so for triangular where the length is given as a 1 meter and depth of water for initially for the rectangular where length is given as 1 meter, the depth of water is h is equals to 150 millimeter and CD for the rectangular notch is 0.62. The angle of V notch theta is equals to 90 degree. Discharge over the rectangular wire is given by, so actually here the rectangular notch discharge is given by the formula Q is equals to 2 by 3 into CD into L into square root of 2G, then H power 3 by 2. So here CD is equals to 0.62. The length of the rectangular notch is 1 meter. Square root of 2 into 9.81 and head is maintained, here it is 0.15 meter. The power of 3 by 2. So now discharge through the rectangular notch is Q is equals to 0.10635 meter cube per second. So now the same discharge passes through the triangular right angled wire, so that the discharge through the triangular notch is given by Q is equals to 8 by 15 into CD into tan theta by 2 into square root of 2G, then H power 5 by 2. So here CD for the triangular notch is 0.59 and discharge through the triangular notch is 0.10635, and theta, there is a right angled notch. For that reason theta is equals to 90 degree. Is tan theta, tan 90 by 2 into square root of 2 into G 9.81 and head is unknown. I want to calculate this head over the triangular notch. By the simplification of this expression, so we will get the head over the triangular notch is 0.3572 meter. So this is the solution for this numerical. Means in this topics we studied about discharge through the triangular notch and solve some numericals on that triangular notch. Thank you all.